Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm need download drive for Lexmark, and this is for the serial. This is for your tablet drive for download. Please write and search the official website for you. I'm like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for official website. And this is for the official website. You click here. Okay, this is for the printer. You scroll down. You look in the title, driver, and support. You click the title, driver, and download. Paste your model. You print. Okay, this here for the tech automatic your operating system. And if you need to change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Linux, for the Mac, for the Windows. Ensure for the Mac. This here for the new version for the Mac. Insert here for version. This here for not version for the Mac update. Not update for the Mac version. And this here for the Linux version. This here for not update for the Linux version. Okay, and this video I'm let download driver for Windows and specific for Windows 11, and click here for version. This here for Windows 11 support. This here for Windows 8 support, Windows 11 support, Windows 7, Windows 9 support, Windows 9.1 support, Windows Server support. And this here for Windows 11 support. You click here and you're looking the release update, and this here for the new release update. You scroll down, you're looking the title, driver, and package, and this here for universal print driver installation package. And if you need to download, you click here and you click here start download. Okay, if you need to install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and please wait. Finish there for the load. If you finish there for the load, you double click here or you click here. You click open. You click next and you click finish. This here for you detect automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description of the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time video.